नमस्कार, मी विजय देशपांडे. गेल्या 24 वर्षापासून इंग्लिश शिकवतो आहे. शिक्षण क्षेत्रातला शाळेपासून तर पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशनपर्यंत इंग्लिश शिकवण्याचा अनुभव आहे. आणि आता रेडियंट अकॅडमीसोबत आम्ही जॉईंटली स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लासेस सुरू करतो आहे. ॲज यू आर अवेअर ऑफ द फॅक्ट दॅट इंग्लिश इज नॉट ओनली लँग्वेज टू क्लिअर द एक्झाम, but it is a skill that is needed everywhere. Wherever you go for interview, maybe abroad, English is needed, and many of the things are now communicated in English. So English is part and parcel of our life. So to help the people who are in need of good coaching in communicating English, we are going to start the classes from 17th of June 2024 at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The reason is that this is a time when everyone can spare time to develop themselves. This is the world of skills. Your mark sheets are not sufficient, but along with mark sheet, whatever you know, you need to express it fluently and confidently. And for that purpose, we have decided to help you out to have good command on spoken English. Most of the times in English spoken classes, the emphasis is laid on theory and grammar. Yes, grammar is an important part of language, but grammar is not language itself. So we have decided to have theory along with practical. Not only practical, it will be a kind of group discussion along with one-to-one discussion for everyone, so that it will help you to enrich your vocabulary, to enrich your confidence. Nowadays, in almost every family, someone is working abroad, and many parents need to help their children to stay with them somewhere in UK or US. And they have inferiority complex because they have not learned English speaking. So even for housewives, even for working people and students, it is need for students. So every age group will be facilitated in this class. So we do not have any boundary, any restriction on age group. We do not need any kind of special education, just need your active participation, and the way you participate will develop your personality. So it's not only spoken English, but it is boosting of your confidence, changing your lifestyle and personality. The most important thing in this online session is that if you miss a class, a day or two for any reason, the recording will be available for entire year for the revision for you, so that you can practice after the completion of course at your home only. The duration of course is 3 months. One more thing, we are going to upload few demo lectures on the given link. You just click the link, watch the demos. If you think it will be helpful for you, do join us on 17th of June for live session at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thank you very much.